Vimal. I have joined FM Academy in last July for the CMA course and happy to say that I have passed the exams in my first attempt itself. It happened only because of the guidance I have received from FM Academy, especially from the instructors there, Mr. Thomas Matthew and Mr. John Daniel. Both are well experienced in the finance and accounting domain, which helped us to pass the exams quickly. First 2 months I got training in one part, and fourth month and I returned the exam. Again 2 months training for the second part, and 8th month and I returned the final exam. It took only 8 months of time and hard work to pass both the exams. So if any one of you want to pass the exam as fast as possible, then the best option I will recommend you is FM Academy. There you will get the right guidance, training, and freedom also you will get it. You can ask any questions, any doubts, queries at any time you want. You will get immediate reply. So I wish all the best for the candidates who are going to write the exam in the next window. Thank you.